Good afternoon, guys. This is Yvette with Inspirational Creations, and yesterday I recorded a video, and I mentioned that I'm waiting on a camera so I can start recording more videos of crochet projects for beginners. But I wanted to share something today, so I'm using my iPhone, and I'm hoping that I have enough time to share with you guys, being that my phone does not have enough memory space. I need to back up some of my photos and videos. However, what I want to share with you guys today is for those who are beginners, you need to know how to make a slip knot. Everyone knows that that's the only way you can start crocheting. I believe that's the only way you can start crocheting is how to make a slip knot. So there are many crocheters online, and many have their way of making a slip knot. Personally, I have seen many videos, and believe me, when I started crocheting back in 2010, I would get confused because they do their slip knots very, very, very quickly. There's just so many wrapping around the fingers, and I just would get confused. So if you're a beginner, I just want to show you guys how I make my slip knot. Personally, all I do is take the end of the beginning of the yarn, and all I do is just kind of tuck it under or over my fingers, cross it like so, and then I take this part. This is the beginning, okay? So it just comes this way like that, and this is the part that's connected to your ball of yarn or skein of yarn. Okay, so you just kind of wrap it like that. What you're going to do is you're just going to bring this loop, and you're just going to lay it right on top of this this part of the yarn that is connected to the ball. You're just going to pull it through that loop and pull up, and there is your slip knot. Take your needle and then just pull, and you are ready. You are ready to begin the next step to crocheting, which would be your chains, but that'll be another tutorial. Okay, I just wanted to share with you how to make a slip knot. But if you're still not sure, you want to find an easier way, this is the way I would show you how to do it. Just here's your ball of yarn. This is the yarn that's connected to the strand that's connected to the yarn. This is the part that's connected to the ball of yarn or the skein. Here's the beginning. All you're going to do is make sure you leave long enough strands so that when you're going to finish your project, you're going to weave in this part in the back of your work. Take this side of the yarn and cross it to the other side, so until it looks like this. You have a little loop here. Here's your tail. This is the yarn that's connected to the ball or the skein of yarn. Then you're going to take this little loop, lift it up, place it on top of this side of the yarn, the one that's connected to the ball. Remember, this is the tail. So this is the loop. This part is the loop. This is the yarn that's connected to the ball. Take your little hook, whatever hook you have, place it under the yarn, the strand of yarn that's connected to the ball of yarn. Go up, take the tail part of the yarn and the other part, and just pull up. And then just pull. That is it. That is it, guys. It's really not that hard if you do it this way. Trust me, I know what I'm telling you. So you can try it again. I'm going to show you again. Take the beginning part of the yarn, the strand of yarn, cross it like so. Take your loop. Maybe you want to put your finger right there. Take your loop, place it on the other side over here, just kind of like if you're flipping a pancake or something. Okay, take your needle, take this part pinch it over here and pull up, and there is your slip knot. So there's your slip knot, guys. There's your slip knot. It's out of focus. Out of focus. Man, I'm telling you guys, I'm still learning how to crochet here. Not crochet, I'm sorry. How to record videos. I'm over here trying to figure out why does it not focus on the... What do you guys think? What am I doing wrong? Okay, I think I still have some time here. I just want to know why it looks blurry. Let's see, what if I tap that? I'm over here trying to figure out. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. There we go, guys. I don't know. Anyhow, we did the slip knot since I have a little more time. Now, the next step to crocheting is your foundation chain, right? And all you're gonna do is just take your needle, your hook, and you're gonna yarn over, and you're gonna draw right through that working loop. Remember, this is the slip knot right here. This is the slip knot that you made right here. This part, this one here. And then we just made a chain. So this is the working loop right here. Yarn over and go right through that working loop. So now you have a chain there. So we've got 1, 2 chains. This is the slip knot, chain 1, chain 2, working loop. Yarn over, draw right through that working loop, pull through. You have made your 3rd chain. And you continue, guys, just continue like that. I'm trying to be as slow as I can. And there we go. Okay, guys, so I hope that you guys find it easy to make a slip knot. Again, this is for beginners. For beginners, guys. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made 6 chains. Remember, this is the slip knot at the beginning. This is the tail, the end of the, well, it was actually the beginning of your work, but it will also be the end. So when you're done with your work, you're gonna weave this in, and that's another tutorial, guys. I'm just excited, and I hope that you guys can learn something from me. I really hope so. So